Hello guys, good day to all. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm gonna present to you some old set from 2007. This is old but new item. Okay. Um, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this set, the Agajanian Special. This one of the last few sets under 100% Hot Wheels produced by Mattel. I believe if I'm not mistaken, it was 2008 that they stopped producing 100% Hot Wheels. Because way back early, I think mid 1990s, 1990s, right? They started producing 100% sets and they stopped producing around 2008. So this one of the few sets that I'm been looking for all this time because the set is quite expensive. It ranges around $80 up, but this one I got from um, bidding. So no one is bidding, so I was able to snatch this one on a fair price. It was a bargain actually. So as you can see, the box is for its age, right? So this is 2007. So this is about now how many years now? 17 years, right? 17 years? Yeah. So this is very mint. Mint MIB, mint in box. You can see also that it's still sealed, right? So now we'll be the one to open it for the first time. Okay. Okay, now we're back. You can slide this out. Still stiff. I don't want to damage the box. Okay. So it's really nice in this acrylic box. Okay. It even has this plastic protector to protect the top of this fan. I think this one is opening also. Let's see. Uh-huh. I don't know how it opens, but anyway, we'll just remove it from the plinth, from the base. Mr. Bosch will do the job. Very well secured. There are 3 screws. Okay, so this is the white 3000 truck. You can see the details close up. Okay, very nice detail over there. I can do some whitewash, black wash here for more depth. Also for the wheels, you can do a black wash for more depth. The paint finish is excellent, amazing. There's no orange peel, oxidation. Very nice. Gilmore gasoline, monarch of all. And the undercarriage. See, the base is saying 2003. Because this casting, this white GMC was first used on the white 3000 Shell tanker truck. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but of course we have it here. Show you. Yes, this is it. The white 3000 GMC 3000 truck, Shell truck, under what you call this, the test series oil can, where it comes with this Ford pickup and this Volkswagen bus and this PP7 Ranchero. This is a solid die-cast, also cab, also solid die-cast. You can see the weight. Check out the weight. Yeah. So this is about 140 grams. And this one is about 139. Because this one is also solid die-cast. Let's see if it opens. I'm curious. Oh yeah! Look at that. This I like. I like about 100% Hot Wheels. They have some opening features apart from the scale accuracy. Also rubber wheels, scale accurate rubber wheels, not the one they use for premium premium models, where they have the basic rubber wheels, and they put it there. Usually regular Hot Wheels are designed on the present wheel designs they have, but 100% were different, and 100% collectibles are different. That's why they are quite expensive back then. So we'll go to of course, the Agajanian Special, the Racer. Okay, a monoposto. They call it the monoposto. Monoposto Racer means single seater. Okay, here you go. Yes, it's the Gilmore Agajanian Special. Look at that level of detail. Hot Wheels is now doubling on kind of returning this kind of quality of diecast, but it's under the Elite 64. Remember this rubber elastic bands? You know, if you happen to have these sets, you must be careful on looking if the finish has affected by this elastic band, because it reacts on the paint. Once it gets reacted with the paint finish, that's already a goner. It's not worth having anymore. Unless you want to repaint the car or use it as a what you call this parts donor, then so be it. But mostly when I buy old Hot Wheels 100% sets, I look for these concerns regarding these elastic bands. So there you have this. I'll go for close up. Look at that engine detail, the interior, so many separate parts that came together for this 1:64 model. And it's only about how many grams? About 38, 16 grams only. So very light. So of course this one is partnered with this one, Transporter. It goes inside here. Oh, I don't think it can fit because of this pillar here. Oh, no, it cannot. Anyway, it's just nice to have them together. Okay, one of the few sets that I like. From time to time, we're still buying some Hot Wheels. There's Hot Wheels that we like. Just recently, I went out of the country and got this one. Can you see it, guys? Yeah, this one. Well, of all the set that I saw, this one is for me was the kind of realistic one. Unlike this one, two, three, the other four or five, they were not realistic for me. But this one is the Baja Battalion. I like the detail on it. You can see those simulated fuel tanks. This of our Baja Racer. This looks like the Oshkosh truck, right? Off-road. I wish DCP or First Gear come up with Oshkosh trucks soon. So actually, this is my second Super Rig set. The first one was this one. This I got 2 years ago. This is called the Galactic Express. What I like about this is if you remember those Decotora trucks from Japan, they kind of look like it. And of course, the Mad Manga, the Bosozoku type. These ones, I never opened them. I just wanted them, seeing them. So no need for them to be open because I already have many models that are rigs that I can play with. This one is just for display. If I get tired of it, I'll just sell it someday. So apart, you can see all those models here. Just like I said, this is the one I choose, Galactic Express, and most likely to happen in real life, just like the Baja Battalion. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll be back again soon with another model to unveil. Thank you. Goodbye.